Hi everyone, me Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will tell about 13 reasons why doing what you love will make you truly rich. So many people have heard about this more than once, but they can't just understand how it works. Their concern is I want to make money and be rich, and you are telling me to do what I love doing. What is the relationship between the two? Do you know? It's easier to understand if you tell a guy to marry a lady he truly loves than if you advise him to engage in the vocation or business he loves. Such a guy can easily reason well. I'm going to be living with this lady. So, it will be nice if I can marry someone I truly love. But what about business? Do I really care? No. All I want is to make money. Why again do I need to fall in love with my business? You just give me some minutes and I will explain the reasons why you have to go into a business or vocation you are passionate about. But before then, I have three things to say. Number one, first, unemployment has pushed more people to a corner where whatever job comes is what they accept. How can someone say he hates a bank or bank job when he can't find another alternate? And you see, the second thing I have to say is that we have ourselves in this mess because of the way school had brainwashed us. Every human being should be trained to create his own world and design it the way he loves to live it. But that's not what school prepared us for. Instead, we're trained to live according to a formalized template designed by someone. Many a times, someone who doesn't care about us. We can't be happy living the world we never created. And that's why I hate the education system we are having today. It encourages less of innovation and trains more or becoming an employee. The third thing I have to say is that riches is beyond your bank account. When you love to work as a slave with so many tortures and be paid $1 million every month, some will say yes until they try it and find out that 1 million doesn't make up for what they are losing within 10 hours of working as a slave. And you see, this exactly is what we have been compelled to do. People are forced to work the job they hate because school had trained them to obey orders. This is pathetic. I'm going to tell you some reasons why you should love your business if you want to be rich. Number one, doing what you love gives you excitement. You know what I'm talking about? You wake up in the morning and feel like, thank God, the time has come. You are excited to see that day because it's a day you are going to meet that lady you have long departed. When she got admitted to a faraway university, Why are you excited here? You love that lady? There is a game. You are excited watching or playing. You are always on the look out for an opportunity to play or watch that game. Similar thing happens when you love what you are doing for a living. You are excited getting to the office. Such a feeling is almost strange to most people. It's a real experience of some people. When you love what you are doing, you are very excited doing it. Number two, you don't really feel like you are working. That's it. You won't be exhausted. You won't feel like you are working. You will feel like full of energy. Is it? Thank you so much, guys. Be happy.